Good morning, everybody. Today is March 31st, 2022. I am your host, James Mason, and this is StockCast. And I know that I don't have my camera up because I'm sitting in another meeting right now. So this one's going to have to be quick today. Sorry for running late because, I'm in a meeting. So hold on a second. Let me see if YouTube ever generated this link. All right, finally got one. Stand by one moment. All right, so today, pretty much what I'm looking for is we have a potential pre-market runner. It's already kind of moving up right here. This is ticker LGVN. And let me take it to the 5-minute chart first. So we can see this strong push up here pre-market. And I'm waiting for the break above 986. And my target price range will be between 14.57 to 18.45. And the reason why I'm looking for this is because they published their peer review study for their phase 1 trial results for their Alzheimer's disease drug. And I'm trying to look up some other information on it. Let's see. All right, I can't find the one report I was looking at earlier, but so when we look at this 1-day chart right here, and we also have to keep in consideration really the main big factor when trading these bio stocks is the lower share structure. This ticker LGVN, it currently only has 5.1 million shares right now. And with that study, and this may not happen today, I'm actually kind of expecting it to happen over the next few days. I mean, it'd be cool if it happened today, but I actually expect it to happen over the next few days just because, I mean, this is a strong push up. But if we do trigger above 986, I'm absolutely cool with it. My one concern is this quick sell-off right here. I don't know if that was profit taken or shorting. I think it was just profit taken because it's really not as severe as what like bears would do to this, but you don't ever know. I mean, if the bears are watching this, and they probably are, because it's number 2 on my scanner right now. If the bears are watching this, they will see that resistance right around this 986 range, which is also the breakout point. So they might come in and try to short this. Then again, they might not. It would be silly, in my opinion, to come in and try to short something that did release good news on their studies, their trials, and only have 5.1 million shares. That would be, that's how you get your face ripped off. So looking at this 1-year, 1-day chart, I mean, we see the strong push up back here in the past. It died off after that. We went sideways for a while, which is cool. I love this setup. And now we broke above that 86 EMA, testing that resistance at 986. I'm waiting for the break above that. That break above that does signal that shift in that momentum. So we would have positive catalysts with the news, the shift in momentum on the daily chart, and a super low outstanding share structure. For me, that's a perfect storm, and I like that. And when I say to break above 986, I mean that to the penny. This is why I'm not jumping in this yet. So I'll be watching this. If it doesn't happen today, and I'm actually okay with that not happening today, it'll let some people take some profits, and it would be kind of nice if it would trend sideways and then shoot up. And I'm saying this because if you guys remember last year around this time, ticker LODE, it's almost the same setup. So let me show you that one. Okay, here we are. LODE. Last year, when I call this one, almost the same setup where it gapped up and then it just like, it kind of pulled back for a few days on the daily chart and then it rocketed up. That's exactly what I'm looking for here. Now, I don't know if it's going to do that because no two stocks trade exactly alike. But I was going to have wishful thinking right here in this ticker. That's exactly what I'm looking for. This is a strong catalyst for this company. They have a super low outstanding share structure. And I just personally feel like it's the perfect storm. Now, this ain't one of those you throw everything at it, because I guarantee you that while, this may run, it may not. But one thing that I do guarantee you is that the bears are going to lay their teeth into this thing. At what point? I don't know. And the reason why is because that's just the way it is. Bears love shorting bio stocks. Bears also like getting their ass beaten bio stocks. It just depends on the day if they win or lose. And you don't want to be trying to go all in heavy on this on the day that it decides the bears are going to win. So I just wanted to keep this one really quickly. And again, this is the ticker LGVN. I personally, in my own personal opinion, I personally believe that this is a nice one to watch. I feel like it's a perfect storm. It's everything that I like, at least. And we'll just have to see. So waiting for that break above 986 for entry, with the target range between 1457 and 1845. So let me just run through the comments really quickly. Josh. Nah, I didn't play Grand Theft Auto last night. I mean, I did play it, but I wasn't up late playing it. Let's see what else we got. All right, so not really seeing too much in the comments, which that's a given since I started up late. Couldn't get a YouTube link up and going yet, but alrighty. Well, I'm gonna jump off here before I get caught up in this other meeting. And I appreciate y'all tuning in today. Remember, trade safe, trade smart, and I will catch y'all in the next one.